Welcome learners at the NIS studio. In this lesson, we will learn about lesson 4. Tall Trees by Alan Mathias. The Caring Tree as discussion. Before we read the poem, let's talk something about the trees. In how many ways are trees useful to life on earth? What would the world be without trees? What do the trees symbolize? What message do the trees give us? Difficult words to learn first. Poem, poet, tree, earth, shelter, peeping, dusk, watch, rim, moon, symbolize. Let's read the poem Tall Trees. With their feet in the earth and their heads in the sky, the tall trees watch the clouds go by. When the dusk sends quickly the birds to rest, the tall trees shelter them safe in a nest. And then in the night, with the tall trees peeping, the moon shines down on a world that's sleeping. Rooted to the ground, with their feet in the earth. Explanation. The roots are considered as feet of the trees. They fix the tree to the soil. They absorb water and nutrients from the soil and pass on the other parts of the tree. They hold the soil together and prevent it from erosion. Above all, they symbolize rootedness or humility, loftiness, and their heads in the sky. Explanation. The tree's tubes are referred to as heads. The top of the tall trees are so high that they seem to be touching the sky. They symbolize dignity, pride, and uprightness character. Making merry, the tall trees watch the clouds go by. Explanation. The trees are so high that their tops seem to be touching the overhead clouds floating by. Dusk time. When the dusk sends quickly the birds to rest. Explanation. At sunset, the trees wait for the tried birds to return home like mother wait for the return of their kids. Safe haven. The tall trees shelter them safe in a nest. Explanation. Trees provide a safe home to those birds who build their nest in its branches. Pick a boo, and then in the night, with the tall trees peeping. Explanation. At night time, the trees keeping a watch on the world and allow moonlight to peep through their branches. A silent guard. The moon shines down on the world that's sleeping. Explanation. The moon peeps through the branches of the tree to the watch like a guard on the world that is sleeping. Central idea of the poem. Be selfless like a tree which gives shelter to the birds. Be tall like the trees implies life, a life of dignity and uprightness. Be taller than life itself. Be rooted to the earth implies be humble. A noble life by living in harmony with nature. Be selfless in all that you do, protect and guard all life around you. Structure and rhyme pattern. The poem has 3 stanzas of 4 lines each. The length of each line is different. The last word of the second and the fourth line rhyme. We can say the rhyme pattern is ABCD. New word personification. Personifications is a literary device used by poets to make inanimate things behave like human beings. In the poem, words like watch, heads in the sky, feet in the earth, shelter the birds peeping, make us feel that trees are behaving like human beings. Imagery. Imagery is the art of using words to create a picture of sorts in the mind reader. Example: the trees watch the clouds go by. They allow the moon to peep down. All such expressions make us feel as tough we are watching the scene. Hope you have enjoyed all understood the poem well. So learners, we will meet to you on our next lectures. Till then, thank you.
Dear learners, I welcome you to NIOS Studio. Today we will learn alphabets. We will sign these alphabets one by one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you for watching us. Hope it's useful for you. For any kind of learning support, you contact us. For more information, log on to www.nios.ac.in. Thanks once again.
Dear learners, we learn the words in audio-visual equipment in sign language version one by one. Camera, cassette, chart, compact disc, computer, cutout, film, hearing aid 1, hearing aid 2, overhead projector, radio, record, shooting, sound, television, video camera, video cassette recorder, digital camera, floppy, map, model, poster, Thank you learners for watching us. Dear learners, we learn the words on basic norms in sign language version one by one. Angry, bad, belief, bold, brave, busy, cheat, clever, confident, corruption, faith, false, fear, good, guilty, happy, hardworking, help, hope, instigate, insult, interest, lazy, lie, patience, proud, right, sad, sly. Thank you, trouble, true, trust, sigh, like. Thank you for watching us.
Dear learners, today we will learn basic words on trees and flowers. We will sign these words one by one. Branch, flower, grass, grow, leaf, lotus, plant, rose, seed, sunflower, thorns, tree. Thank you for watching us. Hope it's useful for you. For any kind of learning support, you can contact us. For more information, log on to www.nios.ac.in. Thanks once again.
Dear learners, we learn different adjectives in sign language version one by one. Absent, active, alone, any, beautiful, big, blind, boring, bright, careful, careless, cheap, chief, clean, cold, comfortable, common, cunning, dangerous, dark, deaf, different, difficult, dim, dirty, dry, easy, empty, energetic, equal, expensive, famous, fast, fat, few, flat, flexible, full, foolish, fresh, full, half, funny, handicapped, hard, high, holy, hot, hungry, illiterate, jealous, lame, less, liquid, little, long, loose, loud, low, lucky, many, more, much, mute, narrow, necessary. Thank you, learners, for watching us.
Dear learners, I welcome you to NIOS Studio. Today we will learn alphabets. We will sign these alphabets one by one. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Thank you for watching us. Hope it's useful for you. For any kind of learning support, you contact us. For more information, log on to www.nios.ac.in. Thanks once again.